The Tecno POVA 5G is a very stylish looking smartphone with a glass sandwich design. At the back of this phone, we have a glass back with dual tone design, Tecno POVA 5G branding, Manchester City logo, and the camera setup that also houses the flash. The sides of this phone are wrapped with chrome rails that give a very premium feel to it. On one side, we have the volume buttons, followed by the side-mounted fingerprint sensor that also acts as the power key. And on the other side, we have the SIM slot. At the bottom, we have the charging port, microphone, speaker grill, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. At the top, we have another microphone for noise cancellation. On the front, we have the 6.9-inch Full HD Plus dot-in display that also houses the front camera.